So whenever I'm going through these stocks looking for something, I will chart them and I'll try to find where the resistance is. So like this one right here, you know, it could have a level of resistance right here at about $20.97. Or it could have a level of resistance down here at $17.35. You know, right here, it's been in a sideways trend. So that's what I'm looking for. In regards to the stocks, to where like JNUG, the top one on my list, you know, it's been hitting lower lows every so often. So it keeps hitting lower and lower, although, you know, it'll hit a low and go back up, hit a low, then hit another low. Of course, it's gone back up here, and now it's hit a low here. So this here could be a good buy signal for this week if it'll stay up, or it could hit another low right here. So that's how that one got on my list for this week. UCO. So this one here has got a external, it's got a upward trend, of course. It's come down and it's hit some resistance right here, and then it's hit some resistance right here at $70. So it's not far off the low at 71.03. You know, so this one here, it could continue its uptrend. And the reason I would have marked this one would have been like if I went in this morning and bought it at 71.03, for instance, and let's just take this out to 18 spots. If I'd have bought it at 71.03, and then I say it sold a $73 call on it, I would have collected $1.48 in premium, which is 2.45% of the share price. You know, so that's actually a really good return. You know, the problem with any of these, when you're looking for the higher returns, you got a higher implied volatility, and that's where you end up having to really make some decisions. So like this one here, UCO, I'd probably consider buying this one this week over the last two, just simply because to me it seems like it might have some good safer potential, if there's any such thing when you're dealing with this stuff. So I'm going to keep UCO. I'm going to go through all of them this morning, but I'm going to mark UCO. So now that one gapped down, which is even better. Luckily I didn't buy before the market. But, you know, so now let's look at the live options. So now that they're live, you know, we can see truly what they're doing with the market open. And that's why some of these I said to watch live or whatever. But this one here very well may be hitting, like it hit my mark just now, it alerted me. So this one here, because it gapped down so much today, if there's no crazy news on it, there's not. And I believe this here, this is an ETF. So yeah, I'd still consider actually buying this one today, because throughout the week I feel like it's going to possibly carry on back up. Some of the other things I'll do is look at this at $50.63. So there's a $13 spread. 67 to 82. There's a $15 spread. So, you know, this one here, from the up and down resistance you see throughout the stock pricing, 24 to 34 is 10. Right now it should have some resistance to climb on out. But that's my 2 cents. I got to go through about 30 more of these this morning.